Hi guys, today, this is the first on my channel, but today I'm going on a nature walk and I'm listening for birds, and yeah, it's very relaxing and peaceful and it's a good workout. I love the exercise. It's a beautiful day today, a little cold, you know. I see a bluebird in that tree. Let's see if I can show it to you. I guess not. Just take my word. I'm trying to show you that bluebird, but it won't let me. It won't let me show you the bluebird, I guess. There it is. But there's a bluebird there in that tree. But I can't show you right now about all the birds I've seen. Don't know how to do that. But it's a very pretty bird. And I see another bluebird over there. But I don't know how to face the camera the other way, so I can't catch them. But yeah. Walking's one of my favorite form of exercise. I love nature. I like seeing all the trees and the grass and the flowers. You can kind of see, yeah, you could see the flowers. There's a car. You could see the trees, but you can't really see the birds I'm talking about. But it's like you can see it's a beautiful day out here. Yeah. And this, I love walking here. It's a great area. I would say it's very safe. Very calm, quiet. Yeah.